I found an affiliate marketing platform that pays $1,000 per commission. So I put together a cheat sheet of the top 15 highest paying affiliate marketing platforms to help you make money faster. Let's dive in. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, what does that mean? So basically, all these websites, you can sign up and what you do is you basically promote the product or the service. And if somebody clicks through your link that you get from the company and they make a purchase, then you're going to get a cut or a commission of whatever it is, whatever the commission is. So for example, this goes in order of the highest paid commission to the lowest. So number one is going to be WishUP. So what WishUP is, it's a remote staffing platform, basically hiring all kinds of remote jobs. The commission for one candidate that is qualified is a whopping $1,000, which is absolutely insane. I've never seen that before. That's why this is number one on our list. So that's definitely one to take a look at. The second one down is going to be SEMrush. So what SEMrush is it's an all-in-one digital marketing platform. You can use it for competitor analysis, keyword research, blogging tools on there. They have social media management tools. It's kind of like an all-in-one tool. I've used it many, many times. It's a phenomenal tool. So if you're looking to really kind of get an insight into your analytics, that's definitely one that you want to check out. Next up is Shopify. So I'm sure that you guys have heard of Shopify. Shopify, the commission for Shopify, actually, sorry, the SEMrush commission is $200 per sign up. Okay, moving on to Shopify. So Shopify is going to be a $150 commission. So Shopify is basically like the world's biggest or most well-known e-commerce platform to build a store. So if you have a store, you're doing maybe drop shipping or you're selling digital products or you have a print on demand store, Shopify is the leader of e-commerce stores. So that's a nice commission too. So next up is going to be SEO Surfer or Surfer SEO. So the commission for this one is going to be 75% to 125% commission on a monthly plan. So basically what that means is they have two plans. If somebody signs up per month, then you're going to get between 75% and 125% commission. For a yearly plan, you're going to get 15 to 25%. So SEO Surfer is basically like, it's an AI powered SEO tool. You optimize your business. You can go in there and if you're writing blogs, you can do competitor analysis. It gives you a score as to how you rank against other blog posts or topics based on the keywords that you put in there, the pictures, and basically how your article is structured. So that's a huge tool if you're doing any kind of blogging, online writing, journaling, that kind of thing, and you want to rank on Google. That's definitely one of the tools that you want to check out for sure. All right, so next up we have NordVPN. So NordVPN pays 100% commission for a new signup and 30% commission on renewal. So if somebody renews, whether it be monthly or yearly, you're going to get 30% of their cost every month. So 30% of what the cost of their plan is. And the reason I can't really say specific numbers is because really the plans are different. So it's going to depend on what plan that the customer buys. So NordVPN is definitely one of the most popular VPNs that you can get. It's a leading cybersecurity company, fast, secure, and offers VPN service. So next up is Bluehost. So Bluehost is a hosting platform that they're basically like a web hosting company. And they offer a 70% commission through their affiliate program. So they have web hosting, they have domain registration, they have a ton of website building tools. So definitely a go-to if you want to start or if you're promoting some sort of web building or web-based tutorial videos or social media. So going down the line, System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform. They offer a 60% commission on their affiliate program, and they help entrepreneurs and businesses build sales funnels. Think of like ClickFunnels, manage email marketing. It's kind of like an all-in-one tool. You can create online courses, kind of like a Kajabi, and they have a lot of tools to help automate and bring things into your business. So that one's definitely one to check out if you're in that space for like an all-in-one marketing. Next up is Beehiiv. Beehiiv is a newsletter platform, and they're building out an ecosystem So there's a 50% commission on Beehiiv's affiliate program, and Beehiiv is actually they're growing so fast, and they're one of the platforms that have the most impact and gaining a lot of traction. There's no coding required, an absolute beginner. You can do this. You can start creating newsletter posts that turn into blog posts. So it's a dual thing. You're building an email list as well as building a website. So that one's also a great opportunity if you're building a newsletter. Check those guys out for sure. Next up is going to be VidIQ. So VidIQ, their commission is 15 to 25% commission. And they're basically a video marketing platform. I use VidIQ. I love them. They have AI powered tools. Keyword research is really why I use them for my YouTube videos. And they focus all around everything with YouTube itself. So they help YouTube creators optimize their content, they grow their audience, increase engagement. So if you're looking to get started with YouTube, you don't know where to start, you need a little bit of assistance, or you're already experienced and you really just want to get more tools under your belt that can help you grow your channel, check out vidIQ. It's definitely a great tool. Next up is going to be Fiverr. So Fiverr is a global online marketplace where people go and they actually freelance their skills. So anything under the sun, tech, online, any business, anything you think of, you can find somebody that has a skill that provides their services on Fiverr. So Fiverr offers a 25% commission on their marketplace. Okay, so InVideo is next. So InVideo creates videos, AI-powered videos, just by a couple clicks. And you basically just type in some text and it allows you to create, edit, and customize these really high quality videos. And their commission is 25 to 50%. Amazon Associates. So if you're not familiar with Amazon Associates is Amazon's affiliate program, and their commission structure is up to 20%. So really the cool thing I love about Amazon is if you promote something on Amazon, somebody clicks your link, they go through, even if they don't buy anything, the link that they clicked on, the product, anything that's in their cart for the next 24 hours, if they purchase, you're going to get a cut of or a commission of. So that's why I always recommend new affiliate marketers start with Amazon Associates. Next up is TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy, similarly to vidIQ, is a YouTube tool. They're a certified platform, YouTube platform tool. They have a bunch of different tools built into TubeBuddy to help you manage, optimize, and grow your YouTube channel. This is a 15% commission with TubeBuddy. Next up is Printful. So Printful is a print-on-demand platform, and they offer a 10% commission per order. So if somebody signs up and then they start creating products, t-shirts, hats, mugs, sweatshirts, whatever, and then somebody orders through there, you're going to get a 10% commission based off of whatever the total price of the order is. So that's pretty cool. I love these guys. I've used them a couple of times here and there, but definitely check them out. They're one of the power players for the print-on-demand space. And finally, Kinsta. So Kinsta is a premium web hosting platform, similarly to Bluehost. And their commission structure is 5 to 10% commission. So you can either do the 5 to 10%, or depending on the plan, they'll pay either $50 to $500, whatever the plan is. So Kinsta definitely offers high performance, secure, and scalable hosting solutions. So if you're in that space where you're promoting web hosting, maybe blogging, articles, that type of thing, this might be something you want to promote and get involved with the affiliate program. So all these affiliate programs are totally free to join. I have this Google Doc sheet. I'm going to post a link to it down in the description below, and you can download it for only $1.99. So it took a little while to put this thing together, so there was a little bit of a cost for the time, but this is going to cut your learning curve and your research more than in half. So you don't have to look around for all the different affiliate marketing programs, what they pay, how to sign up. All you have to do, if you want to check any of these out, is either click on the logo right here, or you can click on the name itself, and you'll be taken to the affiliate page. So you can sign up and you can start promoting any of these products. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, make sure to watch this video coming up next.